It's time for another update on what's new at the J-Reiff Contracting Company. In this video, we'll cover the latest changes to the fleet, discover new additions to the workshop, and catch a glimpse into the next episode of J-Reiff Fendt Classics Part 5. So stay tuned. This biomass chipper from Woest is a brand new addition to J-Reiff's service offering. It's also the first chipper in the company's history. Alongside the purchase, J-Reiff has also become the official distributor of the Swiss brand Woest in Luxembourg. The workshop team has received full training in repair and maintenance, with spare parts available for customers across the region. Whether shrubs, hedges, roots or trunks, the open rotor chipper delivers a clean, even result, with a low proportion of fines in the wood chips. For this job, J-Reiff relies on the 476 horsepower Fendt 1046 Vario, a tractor that is exceptionally well suited to this work thanks to its reverse drive system. Large parts of the building on the J-Reiff premises are heated by an 800 kilowatt wood chip heating system. This means several hundred tons of sustainable fuel are needed here every year, much of it sourced directly from the company's own forest. The J-Reiff Contracting Company is based in the north of Luxembourg. Alongside its agricultural services, the company also operates a construction division, a workshop, an agricultural machinery dealership, and its own farming and forestry business. There's plenty going on. 80 employees work across all divisions of the company. The team is further supported by temporary staff, interns and apprentices. Interested in joining? Apply directly through the website. In our previous installments on J-Reiff Contracting, we already gave you a detailed look at the workshop. 2025 brought another round of significant investment in this area. A new sandblasting cabinet means surface treatment of components can now be handled entirely on site. This greatly improves the workflow for both painting and welding jobs. The workshop runs at full capacity, and the site has been an official Fendt service centre for many years. Alongside repair and maintenance work on the contractor's large fleet, customer orders are also processed on an ongoing basis. During the winter months in particular, the team also takes on around 10 modern classic tractor restorations. This Favorit 611 LSA, currently being fully restored for a Fendt enthusiast, is one of the most complex projects of recent months. The engine, gearbox, wiring harnesses with all electrical components, and finally the cab have all been overhauled. The result is practically a brand new tractor. Another new addition is the foam-based cleaning system in the wash facility. The idea is simple: clean agricultural machinery more effectively while using less detergent. And it makes washing a lot more fun. One of the biggest investments in recent years, this new building combines a showroom and a reception area. It significantly improves workflows around the spare parts warehouse, the workshop and engine maintenance. To accommodate the growing team, new break rooms and training facilities have been added, and the workshop itself has been expanded. The new building will also serve as a reception area for visitor groups. Details on tours are available on the company website. The J-Reiff Contracting Company's fleet currently comprises 67 Fendt tractors, ranging from the 200 to the 1000 Vario series. The fleet has been significantly rejuvenated in recent years, as J-Reiff has specialised in selling lightly used tractors. The goal is to run each tractor for a maximum of 2 years in the contracting business, then bring it to market with an average of 1,500 operating hours. You can browse the current tractors for sale on the company website. J-Reiff has built a similar business model around Claas harvesting machines. In 2026, a total of 10 forage harvesters will be deployed for contract work and gradually listed for sale as well-maintained used machines. The advantage of forage harvesters is that their specifications are relatively consistent worldwide. Over the past 5 years, J-Reiff has sold the Claas Jaguar in 13 countries. Just recently, another chopper was delivered to a customer in China. Vedastat Tempo precision seed drills are also finding buyers on the used market. The V8, V10 and V12 models have been sold across Europe. Before we cover a few more new products, we want to introduce the latest installment in the J-Reiff Fendt Classics film series. With 5 episodes now released, the series charts the history of Fendt tractors. Company founder J-Reiff has assembled the world's largest collection of vintage Fendt tractors over recent years. A collection without which this film would never have been possible. Part 5, released as a 4K video stream and on DVD, focuses on the production period between 1977 and 1985. Alongside the GT implement carrier, already covered in detail in Part 3, the Farmer 100, 200 and 300 series, as well as the Favorit 600 SL and LS, played a defining role for Fendt during this era. J-Reiff Fendt Classics shows all tractors in action in the field, wherever possible with matching implements from the same period. One of the standout moments in Part 5 is undoubtedly the Favorit 622 LS at work. This one got a proper workout. We paired this tractor with a Raba plough and a disc harrow. To celebrate the release of Part 5, we are giving away 10 streaming gift cards to viewers who comment on this video and subscribe to our channel. The promotion period and full terms and conditions are available in the video description. Head there for everything you need to know about the feature film. Back to the contracting company now, where technology takes a major step forward. 2 drones were put into service for the 2025 season. One for construction site surveying and one for agricultural applications. With the DJI Agras T50, J-Reiff has chosen one seriously powerful tool for the job. With a load capacity of 50 kilograms, the drone can carry a substantial amount of seed, as seen here in this undersowing application in maize. Undersowing grasses helps retain nutrients in the soil, protects against erosion, and keeps the field covered even after the maize harvest. The drone leaves no tire tracks or crop damage behind. The pilot holds all the necessary qualifications and travels to each job with a car and trailer. While customers can submit field data digitally, a preliminary flyover is often worthwhile to manually fine-tune the field boundaries on the controller, accounting for overhanging branches or other obstacles. Here's a quick look at a few more new additions. To optimize logistics, particularly for potato and grain transport, J-Reiff has invested in a Krona GX520 with a cargo cover. The side panels can be lowered by 66 centimeters. J-Reiff has supplemented seed preparation for their own arable operation with a Petcus machine. An Amazon-mounted spreader has also been added for fertilizer spreading. Crop protection is moving forward fast as well. A third self-propelled sprayer will be available from next spring. Keep an eye on J-Reiff's Facebook and Instagram pages for updates coming soon. With the addition of this loader, the JCB fleet has grown to 8 machines. The 427 is mainly put to work on silo rolling and muck loading. New equipment has arrived at the construction division as well. We already introduced you to the CAT M318 mobile excavator in an earlier news update. In 2025, however, several aging Beko tandem dump trailers were replaced with the current model series. J-Reiff has maintained a business relationship with the Dutch manufacturer for almost 20 years and currently runs 8 of these dump trailers in the fleet. The J-Reiff Contracting Company is always worth a visit, and there is always something new. Stay tuned for updates, and we'll be back for another visit in 2026. For more information, head to their website and follow J-Reiff on Instagram.